Your microwave skill is cold. Hey, it's Noah from Skillin It. We learn about life skills everyone should have. Before we get started, a quick shout out to Julie. Glad you like my videos and I hope you'll keep learning new skills every day. Also, we have a special guest all the way from Japan. Come on, Emma.
Hi.
Welcome to Skillin It.
Thanks for having me.
Emma, so you're from Japan?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Maybe you can help me out with this week video.
Sure.
Have you ever been really hungry and wanted to heat up your food fast?
Well, don't worry. Most kitchens these days have the perfect solution. It's called a microwave.
Emma, how do you say microwave in Japanese?
電子レンジ.
Whoa, do you use a microwave in Japan?
Yeah, we do.
That's cool. So grab your plate of chicken nuggets and get to work. First, let's talk about what a microwave does. A microwave is used to make food, soup, or water hot. It does this by converting electricity into heat waves. The food slowly turns in a circle while the heat waves makes it hot. Microwaves are very safe and easy to use. Plus, they are very convenient when you want to heat up food quickly. If you would like more info on how a microwave makes food hot, check out the video post here or in the description below. Now that you know a little about how a microwave works and why we use them, it's time to heat things up. First, it's important to know what kinds of foods you can put into a microwave. Some common food items I heat up in my microwave include chicken nuggets, pasta, potatoes, rice, chili, leftover chicken, and beans. Also, it's important to understand that microwaves may not always be the best solution when cooking certain kinds of food. For example, it may be better to cook foods like raw hamburger meat, raw chicken, raw pork, or even fish on the stove or grill. This is to make sure the food is cooked all the way. Once the meat is cooked, you can heat it up in the microwave at a later time. Don't forget the golden rule. Ask mom or dad for help if you're not sure if you can put the food in the microwave. Check to see if your dish or bowl is microwave safe. The dish or bowl may have writing on the back that says it's safe for the microwave. Next, take your food and put it on a dish or into a bowl. Here are materials that are safe for the microwave: glass, ceramic, wood, silicone, and certain microwave-safe plastics. There are some materials that you should never put into a microwave. These include certain non-labeled plastics, rubber, styrofoam, and metal. Certain plastics can become very hot and melt. It can even leak into your food. Yuck! Also, you should never put any kind of metal in the microwave. This can be very dangerous. Okay, now that you know about microwave safety, let's get cooking. Today, I am making beans and rice for lunch. I opened a can of beans and poured them into a microwave-safe bowl. Beans. I'm very hungry, so I'll just put my beans into the microwave for 2 minutes and hit the start button.
A few moments later.
Oh no! I forgot to cover my beans and they exploded all over. Bummer. No problem. I will use some water and a towel to clean up the mess. Now I know what happens when you don't cover your food. Haha. It's a very good idea to cover your food before putting it into the microwave. This is because certain foods can get so hot that they splatter all over, making a big mess just like my beans. I am going to use plastic wrap to cover my beans. Look at the label. This plastic wrap is safe for the microwave. You may also use a dish cover like this one because it is microwave safe. You can even place a paper towel over the food. I'm ready to heat my food. I open the door and put the bowl in. This is the control panel. It has many buttons, but it is pretty easy to use. I push how many minutes I think it will take to heat my food. My food is ready. I know this because the microwave made a ding sound and turned off. But wait, the bowl might be hot. It's best to use a towel or oven mitt to remove your dish or bowl so you don't burn your hands. I carefully remove the plastic. I stir my food to make sure it was cooked evenly. Now I'm ready to eat. Pro tips. It's a good idea to read through the manual so you can safely and effectively use your microwave. Also, there may be some extra features you didn't know your microwave has. Make sure the door is completely closed before turning on the microwave. Most microwaves will not start unless the door is closed. My microwave has an inside light that turns on when the door is open. Microwaves can even heat up water or other liquids very fast. Liquids can come to a boil quickly in a microwave, so be careful not to keep the liquid in for too long. It's a good idea to cover the cup in case the liquid begins to boil and splash. Let's talk about packaged food. It's a good idea to first check to see if the food item has instructions before putting it into the microwave. Read the instruction carefully. Microwaves have a dish that spins the food around. This helps to ensure that the food is cooked evenly. But sometimes it can leave the inside of the food cold. No problem. Simply open the food a little and reheat. Check out this microwavable popcorn package. First, take off the outer wrapping. The instruction says that I should place the package face down like this. It is recommended that I heat the popcorn for about 2 minutes. Alright, my popcorn is ready. But wait, it's very important I open the package carefully. This is because there is very hot steam inside that can burn meat. I follow the instruction and pull the package side outward like this. I let the steam escape so I don't burn myself. After that, I pour the popcorn into a bowl and enjoy. I love popcorn. Nom nom nom. After you are finished using the microwave, make sure to check if it needs to be cleaned inside. Other people in your house may want to use it. Don't use strong chemicals like bleach or disinfectants to clean the inside of the microwave. You don't want any chemicals near your food. It's a good idea to use some warm water and a clean towel to wipe down the inside of the microwave. Some microwaves have extra features like these buttons on my microwave. They are preset time and heating strengths for some common foods. By the way, some microwaves have a small clock on them. Check your microwave's user manual to see if it has a clock and how to set it. That's convenient. Well, there you go. Now you know how to use a microwave. Good for you. Emma, what did you learn?
I learned that it's important to cover your food before heating it up in the microwave.
Ah, my beans.
Your microwave skills are great, but I think your laundry skills are stained. Check out how to do laundry and other cool videos here at Skillin It. チャンネル登録してね。
Until next time, stay cool, be kind, and keep skilling it.
Here now, your chicken nuggets are ready.
Thanks. 啊，住啊！